This is that once in a lifetime.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this plant holder, and these are all the items that you will need. So first, what I'm doing is I'm going to measure out where I want the, plant holders to go at on the wood. So as you can just see here, I put dots to where I wanted them to go at. So basically what my dad is doing is that we marked it off right here and where I wanted the tin cans to go, and then he's just screwing it on with these screws. And yeah, so this is kind of like the behind the scenes of it, and this is how it's basically going to look. So obviously at this point, if you need an adult's help like I did, you can just ask your mom or your dad to help you, but you can just see what he's doing and how he's just screwing it on and everything. So now at this point, I'm just going to insert how much soil I need in all 3 tin cans. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I got soil in this cup, and then I am putting it in it, and then this plant already came like in its own pot already, and I just got it from Lowe's. So I'm just gonna do that to all of these cups. There's some soil in here. I'm just gonna do it to all of these cups, and I will come back with y'all later. Okay, so this is a finished product. You can see it came with one of the succulent plants, came with 4. So I put 3 down here, and I put one of them up here, and that is like a cactus one, and then there's that. And yeah, this is how it turned out to be like, and I'm super duper happy with it. And so this is a finished product. I am actually really in love with it, and it is super duper affordable. All I did was I told my dad if he can nail it to my wall, and that's it. And I think it's a great idea if you want more greenery in your room. So next to the second DIY, I'm calling this a garland, and this is all the materials that you will need. So first what I'm doing is I got my ribbon, and I just cut it to how long I wanted the garland to be, and then I'm going to start to cut my ribbon into the size of how long that I want it. So you could just see right here what I'm doing and everything, and then I'm just going to tie it, and that's it. Okay, so I just finished cutting all of the ribbon that I got from the store, and I don't think this is gonna be enough, but I'm just gonna work what I have. And so basically now I'm just gonna tie them onto here, and you'll see how I tie them in the next clip. So now you could just see here that I'm pulling the ribbon under the other ribbon, and I'm just gonna tie a simple knot and do it to the rest of the other ribbon. was I just knocked them onto this string right here, and I just taped it down onto this board so it can be like steady and the string won't be moving. But I just put them all on this thing, and I know mine is a little bit short, but that's kind of how I wanted it to be, and I was gonna space them out once I put it on my wall. So the next clip will just be like me putting it on the wall and stuff like that. And so this is a finished product. As you can just see here that I hung some of my Polaroid pictures onto the string, and I just nailed it with some like pins onto my wall, and it just adds a lot of pop of color. So on to the final and third DIY. This is all the products that you will need. So first, what I'm doing is I am cutting out and measuring how big I want my paper to be, and this paper is also a watercolor paper, so it's meant for me to do watercolor on, but you can just use whatever paper, white paper that you have, but I just already had watercolor paper. So now all you want to do is pick a picture or anything that you want to draw onto it, and right now I'm just sketching it out, and it does not have to be perfect or anything, because either way it's still going to look a little messy because you are going to be watercolor painting it if you would like. But what I picked was I wanted to do some cactus plants, so this is just what you see me doing right now, is I am just sketching it out, and then afterwards I'm going to start to paint it. So now you can just see here that I got these little watercolor pens off of Amazon, and basically these are like the best things ever. So all you have to do is insert water into the tube, and when you want the water to come out, all you do is squeeze it, and then you could just paint with it. So this is a finished DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these 3 DIYs, and if you did, please like and comment which one was your favorite, and subscribe for more.